Hi Anju,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm good.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much for
So let's get started.
Sure.
What's your skin type? What?
Um, it's not too dry, but yeah, it's
Where do you usually dry?
this area I think at times.
Your
Right.
cheek?
Yeah, my cheek.
Okay. So since we've already cleansed her skin, I'm gonna go start prepping her skin. What do you do for a living?
I'm actually a diversity, equity, and inclusion program manager. I'm also
That was like a one full word.
We'll add that water flowing.
That was one word.
okay. I'll simplify it for you.
Yeah,
I am actually
please
an
do.
HR professional. I do
Okay.
trainings for companies. I do
Okay.
leadership training as well as DEI trainings, which I'm going to shorten it for you. And then there are performance improvement training, which I've been doing for a few companies as of now.
So you feel like a very confident person. Where do you get that from? Like,
Look at roadbacks to my dad and mom. They have given me a lot of confidence from the very starting of it.
Driver
Ever since for me, my dad and mom has been really supportive from the very beginning. And everything we do, I have a brother too. Everything we do is something that they have encouraged, and if something goes wrong, also they always comes back with
very good. Do that again.
They're like, no, try it again. You can do better, but you did your best right now, so it's okay if it didn't work out the way this one. It's not the end.
Yeah.
So the kind of confidence always rolled back to my dad and mom because they've always given me that kind of upbringing for me. Like, it's just been very positive.
Yeah.
So.
You're like butterfly everywhere. So when somebody asks for minimal lashes and you when you place like really heavy set eyelash, it's going to look too much on your face. So I usually prefer customizing my own. I do buy whatever is available, but I customize it according to my client's face shape and what style they're looking for, so that it doesn't look too fake or they're uncomfortable.
To you, does beauty really mean?
Looking really the best version of yourself. That's beautiful. I wouldn't say the most good. No, I would say the best version of yourself. Being able to confidently go in front of someone and then that this is your best version.